Three suspects have appeared in the Soshanguve Magistrate's Court north of Pretoria in connection with the case that's dubbed Space Cookies. The three allegedly supplied learners from the Pulamama Dibogo Primary School in Soshanguve with muffins laced with dagga. Now, it resulted in over 90 learners from grades R to 7 complaining of nausea, stomach cramps and vomiting. So for more on this story, let's cross to SABC News reporter Pulamama Dibogo for more on this. Pulamama, if you can hear me, we're struggling a little earlier on, but I believe you're back. On the back of what transpired in court this morning, what's the latest that has emerged with regards to this case?
We actually are still here at the Soshanguve Magistrate's Court, and the bail application for the three suspects has just been concluded. The matter has been postponed to the 20th of this month for judgment, and we have heard in court that the suspects were actually, forcing learners to buy the muffins, which were sold at R2 each, and one was given for free. So they were actually, inducing fear, onto the learners to buy, and of which, eventually, subsequently, they ended up buying, because we are talking about, learners who are between the ages of 7 and 13. They are all minors. But just to hear, what the parents and the community is saying, I'm going to be joined now by Vela P. Khoza. And Tata Khoza, thank you so much for your time. You've heard the proceedings in court. What do you make of everything that you've heard?
Actually, we are very much happy about the court, the way it has been proceeded. Actually, even the fact that has been raised by the state, we are really very much happy. And it shows that the magistrate will not give those suspects the bail on the condition that we saw that the prosecutor has mentioned that those people are danger for the society, because as you know that the people who were abused here are the kids, and then those suspects may be able to engage with those people, those children actually. So as we say, as Sanko, we are saying those people, they must not get bail actually on this matter. They should remain until the court proceedings are coming to the conclusion. Yeah.
And are you happy that next week the schools are opening? As parents, as the community, what matters or what measures are they in place to ensure the safety of your kids?
Actually, we have discussed with the SGB so that they can ensure that within the parameters of the school, we should make sure that there are no people who are vendors, those are selling such things. We need all the people to be inside so that they can be able to monitor the situation. Also, as Sanko, we would like to raise this matter that we have raised the matter with the Department of Education that we need them to provide the community with the legal advice, because some of the parents, they don't want their kids to come and appear. You saw that at first there were only 8 counts, and as we speak now, they've been charged with 43 counts, and we want those counts to be 71, because all affected kids were 71. So we need the department to ensure that, to make sure that they provide the parents with the legal aid so that they can be able to conclude this matter, because we cannot have 71 kids coming and appearing in the court, but we want one affidavit from the attorney representing all the affected kids actually.
Thank you so very much, and Tatekoza. Just to be joined by one of the stakeholders as well, he's Mr. Pierre Maroku, Universal Association of School Governing Bodies. Tate Maroku, thanks for your time. What does this tell about the role of SGBs at schools?
Thank you very much, and once again, thanks for this opportunity. We're really happy about the verdict of the court today, with the magistrate having said that. But as the role for the SGB, it is very proper that children who goes to the school, they must be protected, and we must make sure that all our children who goes to the school, they feel safe, and also their parents, they must be wherever they are to say our children are safe when they are at the school. So as for the SGB, we're saying all the SGBs of the school, make sure that you really put your policies that are very tight, so that at the end of the day, the children in that school can be protected. Thank you.
Thank you so very much, sir. That's Mr. Maroku.